If you want to customize lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to open Settings. Once you open Settings, we want to scroll down a little bit and then go to Wallpaper and Style. Over here we should be able to tap on the lock screen and then you should be able to start customizing it. For example, we can tap on the clock in order to customize the clock widget. You can grab by these corners in order to resize the clock. You can also move it around. And then also we have a couple of additional options like the font selection, the thickness of the font, and the color of the font as well. You can also go to Style in order to choose a different one, or even include weather information or move the date to be above the clock. Of course, some of these options are not available depending on the clock style. But there we go, this is how it looks like. Besides that, of course, we can also add widgets. Over here we have Add Widgets section where you should be able to choose a couple of different widgets that you should have access to while being in the lock screen. Of course, we have limited space, that means we have 4 slots in total, and some wider widgets take 2 slots. So of course you need to be very picky if you want to fill every space available for widgets. You can of course remove widgets as well. At the bottom we have lock screen shortcuts. You can tap on them in order to decide what should be available if you tap on one of these 2 corners. So for example, you can choose one of these features or even a specific app that is going to be opened. You can also completely remove the shortcut by just choosing no app over here, and you can do the same thing with the other corner. Sometimes, depending on the wallpaper, at the bottom of the preview we have additional settings for that wallpaper. For example, in this case, I have different variations that I can, of course, use. So you can just pick your favorite variation, or in other cases, you might find some other options as well. Now, once you are done with the customization, just tap on a Done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.